So here's how to live stream on YouTube using the OBS Studio. So first you want to obviously download and install OBS Studio, and then you want to go to File, Settings, and then you want to go to Stream tab and select YouTube RTMPS from this drop down for the service. And then you can leave this as default value. Now you want to click on Connect Account, and that should open up a browser window like this to sign into your Google account. And it will prompt you to select which YouTube channel that you want to use. So I'm going to select my YouTube channel. And then you want to simply press continue to grant it the permissions. And like that, you should see a authorization completed successfully page. Now you can simply close this window and your YouTube should be linked. And this is your YouTube channel name should show up under this server dropdown. Now you can go to the output section, and for the streaming output section you want to use constant bitrate, and the bitrate should be between 6,000 up to 10,000 or more depending on your network speed and upload speed. So for streaming to with 720p I recommend 6,000. And for streaming for 1080p or more, maybe use 8,000 or even 10,000 if you have a really good internet. And you can leave the rest of these settings as the same. So for example, the quality, I changed it to slower. If you have a good PC, you can use P6 or P7. Otherwise, leave it at P5, which is good quality. And for the recording, you want to select your input devices and output devices properly, your mic and stuff like that. And for the audio, you want to also leave it at 320 for the audio bitrate. And the rest of the settings is pretty much the same as the default ones. Now you want to press on apply and OK. And you should see a window with the chat in here, but you shouldn't be able to see the chat unless you go live. So when you go live, you can see the chat and you can type using this window. And from this window, when you log in, you will be able to modify the live details, for example, the name and description and stuff like that. So you can simply close this and close the chat. Now you would simply need to press on start streaming to start streaming to YouTube. But before doing that, you should probably add some sources that should be visible on your stream. Maybe you can add a display capture to show your desktop entirely, or you can maybe select a window capture to capture a specific window. You can also use game capture to capture specific games. And you can add camera overlays and images and stuff like that. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.